I thought I'd do a real quick update video on my garden bins. They've kind of been kicked to the curb because of the chickens, but I decided instead of having them everywhere, I want to line them up right here because this is where we get the most afternoon sun. So, and then you can see in here how we're kind of filling things out, and then we'll put real high quality topsoil as soon as we get to that point. We've had a lot of projects just kind of jump up, but this is a bin that I've been asking the guys not to fill because I really want it moved over to that area. That way that I'll have all 4 of them in a row. So there's a catch up on that. As you can tell, we've gotten the grass down some, but still need to work on the pool, still need to do some of the other stuff. Anyways, just thought I'd do a quick update. Here is another update. My husband told me how to move that garden box, so I did. Now they're all 4 where I want them. See, I'm going to have them lined up like that. And I've got all the way there. So, and then you can see that's what was in them. I got to move that shit over. So, anyways, here's one of my roses. And here is a rose I bought last year that it did pretty good. Half of it survived. And then this one I had to cut almost all the way back. I got one more to plant, and I'm sure I'll get more this year.